Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, RIOT Platforms and HIVE Blockchain have shared results from April, and Stronghold Digital has entered a hosting agreement with Cantaloupe Digital. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others. All of these will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so RIOT Platforms Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol RIOT, has reported its unaudited production and operations updates for April 2023. Some highlights include the production of 639 Bitcoins, up 26% over the April 2022 figure of 508 Bitcoins, the holding of about 7,112 Bitcoin as of April 30th, and a deployed fleet of 94,176 miners with a hash rate capacity of 10.5 exahash per second. Jason Less, the company's CEO, said, quote, "As we near completion of the long-term expansion project at our Rockdale facility, our teams have been focused on operational enhancements to increase efficiency, including improving cooling in buildings D and E through the installation of water walls. We also continue to work on repairs to our damaged immersion building, Building G, which remains on track to come back online in the second half of 2023. Our Rockdale facility is a best-in-class Bitcoin mining facility, and the expertise of our teams there is also being carried over into the development of our new Corsicana facility, which upon completion will continue our track record of building and operating premier large-scale Bitcoin mining facilities." End quote. Next up, HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker HIVE, has shared the production figures from its global Bitcoin operations, also for the month of April. Highlights include the production of 273 Bitcoins in the month, a HODL balance of approximately 2,284 Bitcoin, and an average hash rate of 3.38 exahash per second. Aidan Killick, the company's president and CEO, said, quote, "We are continuing to optimize our ASIC operations by managing the efficiency of our machines to operate for best profit on a dollars per megawatt hour basis. This may involve downclocking the firmware for some miners in our fleet to obtain a better joules per terahash efficiency figure, and thus a better dollars per megawatt hour profit figure. We strive to optimize for profitable mining, where the analytics of the HIVE technical team provide a competitive edge in our approach to digital asset mining." End quote. Lastly, for today, Stronghold Digital Mining Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as SDIG, has entered into a new 2-year hosting agreement with Cantaloupe Digital LLC. Cantaloupe is a subsidiary of Canon Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as CAN. This will see Stronghold operate 2,000 A1346 and 2,000 A1246 Bitcoin miners supplied by Canon, with a total hash rate capacity of 400 petahash per second. Stronghold will then receive 50% of the Bitcoin mined by these Canon miners and receive payments from Canon equal to 55% of the net cost of power. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol APCX.